The report builder gives event organizers the ability to customize columns of information they wish to download. In addition to being able to create and export reports on demand, event organizers can schedule reports which can be sent over to them at a later time. To use the report builder, you must first create a new report or multiple reports and title it. Then, click on the settings icon in the Actions column to edit that report. To download a report on the web platform, start from the Manage tab on your event dashboard. Then select the Analyze tab and look for the Download Reports button on the right-hand side of the screen. Clicking this button will open the reports list and prompt you to create a new report or perform an action on a pre-existing report. If you are building a report, first name it and select the type of report you'd like to create. There are 3 types of reports that are available: attendee, order, or session statistics. The attendee report gives the set of information associated with the attendance at your event. The order report shows all of your purchase and registration information, while the session statistics report will provide check-in and attendance data related to sessions. Once you've made your report selection, use the Add New Column drop-down to add fields that you wish to see in the report. When finished, click the Export Report button in the top right corner, or return to the Reports tab and click the Export button in the Actions column. This will send a link to your email where you can download the report as an Excel file.